Feeling so fresh, we looking our best, we doing just what we like.
Kuya, limahan!
Iyak ko naman sa wait na.
We always seem to do it right. Good time, we're here to have fun. We know how to live it up, proud and young.
I'll try to be
Move your feet,
a good wife.
'cause all we
Pero hindi ko mapapromise na
is good company.
magluluto ako. Yun lang.
Always feeling like a billion. No, we just can't stop the feeling. Me and my homies.
Hoy! Yeah!
Me and my homies. 1-2 punch, feel that sugar rush. We bubbling like a soda pop. Going up sky high, living our best life, dancing to a brand new bar.
Jairos.
Sabay-sabay tayo mag-react. Abay, ito gamitin, ma'am.
It's good company. Me and my homies. The good times never stop. We just make it pop. It's poppin'. We know how to rock together. It's a
Jerome, maaari mo lang ibigay, igawad, ang iyong masuyo at opisyal na halik bilang may bahay ni Clarice.
Kapag magulo ng mundo,
First of all, I just want to greet you happy anniversary, mahal. This day is very special kasi it holds dearly of our special events through our life. Few years ago, you've asked me to be your girlfriend. Last year, you've asked me to be your wife. And today, you'll ask me to be your partner in life. To be your wife in which we will say, I do.
nadala ng daigdig. Sa
Alam ko na bago pa kayo magbigay oo sa isa't isa, bago pa kayo magdesisyon na magpakasal dito, may mga pagkakataon at sitwasyon na sinubukan kayong paghiwalayin. Pero nanatili kayo sa pag-ibig na mayroon kayo.
kakapit, kapag magulo ng mundo, ikaw ang payapang hinahanap-hanap ko.
Mahal, from the time I met you, I had no idea that this day would turn into something beautiful as now. From being workmate to soulmate, you complete me and I thank God for allowing your life to grow with me. Kung naaalala mo lang na inaasar pa kita noon sa iba, yun pala, sa akin ka rin pala mapupunta.
Sa bawat sandali, patungo sa'yo ang aking tinig, at isa lang ang sinasabi ng pindig. Ika'y sasalubong.
And today, I promise to be good husband and that will always support you in your decision and plans. I vow to walk with you through the good and bad, and never will I get tired of understanding your mood swing and all. I promise to still see as the most beautiful woman I fell in love with.
Kapag magulo ng mundo, ikaw ang payapang hinahanap-hanap ko. Tumakbo ka rin patungo sa'kin kapag bumibigat na ang iyong dibdib.
Sorry if ikaw muna lahat ngayon ang napapagod. Sabi nga sa kantang, sa bawat sandali, kapag magulo na ang mundo, ikaw ang payapang hinahanap-hanap ko. So sana kahit pagod ka na, hindi ka magsasawang alagaan kami. I love you, mahal ko. Together and always. Love, mahal.
Control. Ready?
Ah.
Oh, may nagbabawas.
Oh. Ayun ito, galing.
Basahin mo daw muna yan.
Sige.
Sub ko man.
Para sa lalaking walang pahinga, ginagawang umaga ang gabi, at Monday ang weekends. Just push the buttons and it will automatically run the time back to me.
I know you don't wanna feel this way.
Lakasan lang natin
When your light starts to dim,
yung loob natin. Then, lahat ng problem natin,
fight when you got none left to
at masusugagawan din natin ang solusyon. Suportahan natin ang isa't isa. May ako sa sabihin. Siguro yun lang po.
be the light when your light starts to dim.
See you
When it all starts
later.
to
Then, mag-enjoy lang tayo sa araw na to. Love you.
Hi, mahal! This is our special day for us. Gagraduate na tayo. Itong gift ko sa'yo. Alam ko magiging masaya ka dito. Hindi ka na manghihiram sa akin ng phone. Hindi natin alam kunwari, ano? Wow! I just want to say thank you for taking care of me. Especially now, not only me, but also our little one. Tingnan mo naman, natuloy tayo ngayon dito sa simbahan at hindi sa operating room. Saksi naman si Lord at ang mga taong nasa paligid natin kung paano kami alagaan.
Even when we found we've lost our way, I know you don't wanna feel this way. I'll be the light when your light starts to dim. I'll be the fight when you got none left to give. When you don't know who I know you are, when the fractures start to break.
Bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagbalito itong magkakaisang ibig si Clarice na iyong pakamamakalit maglilingkuran habang buhay? Aba, Father, nakahanda ba kayong gumanap sa iyong pananagutan sa simbahan at sa bayan na umaasa inyong aarugain ang mga supling ay pagkakaloob ng buong may kapal upang sinayin iyong palaki bilang mabuting mamayang Kristiyano?
Always remember that you are more than enough. You are not just my partner. You are my comfort, life companion, and my everything. Happy anniversary, mahal. I love you.